on the ball. Morel, pass to Ayan. Wala pa rin. Morel, still miss the shot ni Bamay Noel. 2 points sa wakas. Ayan. 52 seconds remaining. Defense foul. 14 on the shot clock. Reverse, wala, rebound, Morel, and out of bounds. I now the Sun Warriors. Okay, yung gusto mong bumili ng pabango dyan, available po ang Bayanihan Lifestyle Perfumes. Lahat naman po kayo, nandun sila sa malapit sa pintuan. Ang regalo, ang Valentine's. Okay, let's shoot the ball game. Okay, 14 seconds, shot clock. Mikaya on the inbound. Mikaya. And turn over. Pazuela on the inbound, pass to number 5. Signaling the play. Wala. Same ball. One seconds on the shot clock. Okay. Pachuela. Pass to number 5. Number 5. Short. Put back. Para ang number 2. For 2 points. 10 seconds remaining. 5 seconds. And power foul. Number 14 holding foul. Pachuela. First personal foul. 13 foul. 2.4 seconds remaining. Ikaya. To J-Van Stone. Basha na. And that's the end of the first quarter. 11-4. Okay, back to the ball game. Let's go. USA. Okay, BSA ball, BSA. Number 2, bringing the ball. And there's a whistle on number 00, Villa. Second personal foul, first team foul. Joaquino on the inbound to Morel. Connect for 2 points. So ito na, 11-6. 5-4 lead, Desert Warriors. Medina. Medina. Wala. Ivan Morel. Morel bringing down the ball. Pass to number 2, too strong. Rebound by Morel. Fires and one play. Basket count foul number 9. Number 9, that was your first personal foul. Second team foul. Desert Warriors. Benitez, that was your first. And missed the bonus. Rebound by Divina. Divina. And missed the ball. Pass to number 1. Number 1 from the baseline. Too strong. Number 1. 10 seconds to shoot. Hindi tumama niya. Divina. Wala. Rebound. Divina. Turn around. Wala pa rin. Rebound. Morel. Mr. Morel bringing down the ball. Morel pass to number 5. Number 5. Blocked by Divina. The cover. Number 5. Losing the ball. Mr. Divina. Divina behind the back. Ball goes out. And tumama pa sa kanya. Okay, from number 5. Pass to Sarate, short. Okay, Sarate on the inbound. Pass to Morel. Morel. Too strong, rebound, Divina. Destino, 13-8, 5.8 for Desert Warriors. Here's foul number 5. Pass to number 0, too strong. Rebound. Steal by number 5. Pass to Sarate, connect for 2. 13-10, 3-point lead for Desert Warriors. Here's from Divina. Pass to number 1. Wala rebound. And substitution. Okay, Osorio, Jaman Stone. Replacing Benitez and Scarlett. Okay. Blocked by Osorio. Ball goes to 0 and number 5. Morel diving for the ball. Pass to number 5. Still by Jaman Stone. Here's by Jaman Stone. Giving the ball. Number 5. Jaman Stone. Too strong. Another rebound. Ball goes to number 6. Here's Cabrera. Connect for 2 points. Cutting the lead into 1, 13-12. Divina. Pass to Osorio. Osorio, drive. And that's what we say. Foul number 3. Number 3, that was the first personal foul. Essential and Dixon will check in. 2 shots for Osorio. First throw, connect. From 14. Okay, second throw. It's the second rebound. Essential pass to Jaman Stone. Too strong. 0 going to number 5. This time number 5. Moving the ball, guarded by Villa. Pass to number 45. Losing the ball, recover. Aquino, and still. There's now Jay Van Stone. Moving down the ball. Pass to Villa. Villa, block by number 0. Rebound again for Villa. Pass to Osorio. Connect for 2 points. 6-12. Back to 4-point lead for Desert Warriors. Morel. And one day. Basket count from number 7. Sub. Sige, pasok. Okay, bonus free throw for Morel. Villa will sit down. And Villa will check in. Bonus free throw. Connect for Morel. 15-16. Osorio to Jay Van Stone. Jay Van Stone. Osorio drive. Malagas, rebound, Vicencio to Osorio. And no basket. 3 seconds violation. Okay, now PSA. Mission score 15-16, 1 for the Desert Warriors. Okay, back to the ball game.